Toolbox next with some classic Wii Sports Boxing live champions. And at 9 o'clock we have a classic of an absolute belter. It's the Wii Sports Bowling at your side.
V8, no money back, no guarantee. Black or white, rich or poor, will come prices and a straw. God bless Hookie Street, viva Hookie Street, long live Hookie Street, say magnifique Hookie Street, magnifique Hookie Street. Hookie Street, Hookie Street, Hookie Street.
Exciting Easter deals have arrived at Very. Plus, you can get more time to pay with Very Pay. Like this PS with free game for only £429. OMG! And this Ring battery video doorbell, only £49.99. Ooh. Shop Very today. Very. Let's make it sparkle.
Give your family's broadband a spring refresh. Pay nothing for 3 months and we'll cover up to £300 of your leaving fees to switch. Plus, when school's out, you've got control to pause Wi-Fi on your kids' devices. Oh, and it's powered by BT. We'll handle the switch for you. Search EE Broadband Deal.
You might expect a delicious sounding description here, but do we really need it?
Nothing beats a celebration. And at Tesco Mobile, we're ringing in 30 years of Club Card with deals like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, with 25 gigs of data for just $43.99 a month with Club Card prices, saving you £270. Better yet, that price is frozen for the duration of your contract. And you can even bag a £30 Tesco gift card too. It pays to be connected. Search Tesco Mobile. Every little helps.
It's literally just the other side of the park. Over the main road, up the big hill, and then another 10 minutes and we'll be home.
Make more room for beauty. The hottest new arrivals join all your favourites at Boots. And now, make even more room for beauty. Save up to half price on selected beauty faves.
You'll see things differently now it's free to sell on eBay. eBay. Things people love.
Get £8 off at selected restaurants on Just Eat. Use code April8 now.
Did somebody say Just Eat?
I'm not thrilled
with hibernating.
we expect to arrive.
Johnny Carlo.
Oh, that's surprising.
Let's breathe some life in.
Ooh, you're the one I want. You are the one I want. You're the one I want. You are the one I want.
Bring in spring with Dunelm.
The home of homes.
Pampers are Punani proof with a revolutionary stop and protect pocket to help prevent leaks at the back. So you'll never fear a Punani again. Pampers, leak-free night or your money back.
Get ready for spring with Amazon Spring Deal Days. Up to 45% off on electronics, home, sports and more. Amazon Spring Deal Days. Ends Monday.
Live from the Wii Sports Boxing studio now on Video Toolbox as we hit the floor for an absolute classic. The absolute belter players are ready to be kicked out and thrown out in the Wii Sports Boxing Championship live. Stuck on a level and have to start all over again? This is where it happens. The Wii Sports Boxing, proudly sponsored by Amazon Games. Hello and welcome to the Wii Sports Boxing. This is your commentator Kid Williams here. The classic shot has been done for the absolute pleasure to the absolute pleasure in here. So let's get started. Here it is. The classic shot's begun as he punches him in the face. And the entire body is actually down. It's a classic one. And he actually is getting it. And he punches him and then he hits him and then he actually dies.